guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today we will be making this beautiful bunny. For that, we will need one of these bunnies, some jute twine, yarn, 2 pieces of gray felt, 1 pink, and let's get started. Now we're gonna start by taking off the ribbon off the neck of the bunny and taking the tinsel off. This tinsel was really damaged because I paid 49 cents for the stained bunny, so that one's stained, really stained. We're gonna save our nose, our eye and ear and completely remove all of that tinsel. Now we take the ribbon and the ticket. And we're gonna start to cut all of those dents the shape has. Just be careful because they love to fly and they will end up everywhere. Continue cutting until you remove all of them, even the ones on the ears. And if your figure or skeleton breaks a little bit, it doesn't matter because it will be covered. Now we're going to take our felt and proceed to cover the body of our little bunny by putting glue in one side and putting the felt, and then doing the exact same thing on the other side. Then we're going to proceed and cut a dent where the leg starts, cut the excess and glue. Just be careful and please make sure everything is glued together. Now we're gonna glue the eye to our bunny and use the ear and the nose to cut from our pink felt that shape. We're gonna glue the nose in the way that you like it the most. I like it like that. Looks so cute. And now we're gonna get our ear and make and cut our ear. But we're gonna cut a flat end because we don't need that dent. It won't be inside our shape. Now we're gonna use our twine to wrap it around the neck to cover where the two felts meet. And now we're gonna make a beautiful bow out of the twine. And that's it. You glue it and you have your beautiful bunny, your felt bunny. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, you can make it without the pom-pom or with a beautiful pom-pom. If you want to learn how to make this pom-pom, just let me know in the comments below so I can make a video on how I make my pom-poms. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.